Men, and as usual, I use the term loosely. I just like to make a Merry Christmas wish for everybody. Time to relax, time to enjoy the holiday. And I'd like to make a short announcement. This will be the last video of 2023. I'm going to take a break and we'll resume making videos probably the end of January, beginning February of 2024. I've had a very busy year out in the shop and a very busy year making these videos. It's been a lot of fun, but it's been a lot of work too. So I'm going to take a little break for the next 3 or 4 weeks, and hopefully I'll be back by the end of January or thereabouts, and I'll see you then. So thanks for watching. Enjoy some nice Christmas music, and I'll see you later. Bye.